Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Aimi Alisha binti Zafrullah, and right now I'm going to present about Vroom-Yetton decision-making model. This is for my individual assignments IMS 555 motion graphic. Start on a tough decision. Should you decide alone or get your team involved? How you choose how to decide is just as critical as the decision itself. So, how can leader decide which approach is the most effective in a given situation? Let's find out. The answer is the Vroom-Yetton decision model. This model guides leaders to different decision-making styles, from autocratic to consultative to group-based. As shown in this diagram, each style involves a different level of participation from followers. By following structure, leaders can make decisions that are both effective and supported by the team. The Vroom-Yetton decision model was developed in 1973 by two researchers, Victor Vroom, an organizational psychologist known for his work on motivation and leadership, and Philip Yetton, a management expert focusing on organizational decision process. Their goal was to create a clear framework to help leaders make a better decision by choosing the most suitable leadership style for each situation. But later in 1988, the model was expanded with contribution from Atto Jago, forming what some call the Vroom-Yetton-Jago model. Even today, the model remains widely used in business, education, and also leadership and development. The Vroom-Yetton model identifies five decision-making styles, ranging from completely autocratic to fully group-based. These styles represent different levels of team involvement. The first is autocratic type 1, where the leader makes the decisions alone using the information they already have. Next is autocratic type 2. Here, the leader gathers information from the team but still make the final decisions alone. Then we have the consultative approach. Consultative type 1 means the leader talks to individual team members to gather ideas or feedback and then decides alone. But in consultative type 2 is involved bringing the team together for a group discussions. The leader listens to everyone's input but still remains the final decision maker. Lastly, G2 is the group-based style. In this approach, the leader and the team work together to reach a final decision, often through discussion, agreement, or consensus. Each of these decision styles is useful in a different situation. Autocratic styles are best when the leader already has the necessary information or when the decision needs to be made quickly. However, consultative styles work well when the leaders want inputs from the team, but still need to remain in control of the final decisions. On the other hand, group-based decision-making is ideal when the team commitment is crucial, when the problem is complex, or when the team experience and knowledge are essential for finding the best solution. There is no single style that fits every situation. The strength of the Vroom-Yetton model is that it helps the leaders choose the right approach based on the decision they need to make. And now you might be wondering, if no single decision style is always right, then how does a leader choose the best one in a real situation? That is where the Vroom-Yetton model becomes even more useful. It provides a set of 7 guiding questions that helps leader decide which style from A1 to G2 will lead to the best outcome. To choose the right decision style, the Vroom-Yetton model uses 7 key questions. First, does the decision need high quality? Second, do we need the team commitment? Third, does the leader have enough information? Fourth, is the problem clear and structured? Fifth, will the team support a decision made alone? Sixth, do team members share the same goal? And seventh, is there any conflict among the team? This question guides the leader to pick the best approach, whether to decide alone, consult the team, or decide together. Conclusion: the Vroom-Yetton model helps leaders choose the right decision-making style for each situation. By using the 5 style and 7 guiding questions, leaders can make a smarter choices, build a better teamwork, and create stronger commitment. This model helps leaders make a thoughtful, effective decision that lead their team to success.